Hi guys and welcome. If you want to build your own landing page or website, definitely you found the correct video, because in this video I want to show you all the editing features of one fantastic platform that will help you to build your own landing page or website really fast without an extra efforts, with the drag and drop features, with understandable and clear templates and so on. First of all, I want to say that I don't want to make this video like 1 hour long tutorial of how to build a website. Everything is simple, and I believe that your time is really precious and valuable, and I respect your time. That's why we left the link in the description panel of this video, so you don't need to surf all over the internet to find that tool. You can just press that link and jump in and to be at the same page with us. In the end of the story, in the end of this video, you're gonna get an idea of how to build your own landing page or website by your own. You don't need to learn coding, you don't need to learn web design, because everything is already done especially for you. You just need to find the correct template, you need to customize it a little bit, and that's what I want to show you, how to edit the websites and landing pages. All the editing features are pretty the same, and when you're gonna get an idea of how to use the editor, you'll be able to build everything that you want. Let's jump into the dashboard. That's how it looks from inside: landing pages, sites, conversion tools, leads, brands, images, lead magnets, integrations, domains, and support. This is the main menu, and as we're talking about the landing pages, let's press create new one. Okay, and we're jumping to the spot where you can find a lot of beautiful and professionally built templates that, as I previously told you, already done. You just need to customize this a little bit. And how to customize this is the issue of this video. I'm gonna show you everything. Let's choose some template. I don't know what catches my eye. Every template is just insane, and it's beautiful. It's nice. What's here? Okay, that's pretty big landing page. Let's choose something smaller. Because the editing features are the same, and when you'll know how to use the editor, you'll be able to build big site, small site, with a lot of pages, with one page. It doesn't matter, because everything is really drag and drop. I love this. Okay, let's start building this one. And this is interesting template. I can show you what's inside. First, you need to give your page a name, but it doesn't matter for the moment. Of course, if you're gonna make it, if you're gonna make your landing page or website for you, the name is here, but you can edit page name and URL, and it must be some specific thing, not just numbers. Okay, just to show you. Okay, when we're hovering over the surface, this is an editor, and you need to understand the first thing, that everything built with the sections, with the boxes, with the containers. This is the first one, this is the second one. Okay, now let's go to layout, and you see the sections hero and footer. Let's press on hero, and now we can see that we have header, we have main content, we have spacer. Here in main content we have spacer and opt-in area, and we can change this thing as we want. Yeah, we can change this thing as we want. Transparent, half transparent, and so on. Okay, this is the color. So you can edit each section separately. And here in the hero, when you go to section style, you can make it from this spot, or you can press this 3 dots button and edit section settings. You see the background of this section. Yeah, you can change an image to upload your own, or you can use the premium images. You can buy them straight from the platform, and this is really cool if you don't have your own content, maybe just starting out, and you didn't made the photos or images or pictures, so you can buy them. It's about $8 per picture, or you can upload your own. I'm not gonna change and just showed you how to do that. And little thing, image color overlay. Let's add some color. For example, I want this picture to be blue, and I'm changing the opacity, and you see the result. And this is really awesome, and you can customize it really fast and easy. A lot of things like automatically full height and arrow border, timing control, a lot of stuff. You need to discover it all by yourself, but the main thing is that everything is built with the sections. For example, this section is okay. I need to add some extra. All right, so we can go to sections, and for example, about that girl, who's that girl? Like, save 75 in the New Year yoga retreat. Okay, we can use this different types of sections. Okay, we can use this, and we can just drag and drop it. You see, drop here or drop here. The next thing is you can add a section straight from this spot above, and there are a lot of interesting tools like logos and so on, but I love to use the blank templates of a section, like just grabbing it and dropping it to some spot where you want it to be. Okay, we have a longer page right now. Let's go to layout. Let's go to layout, and now we see that we have hero, about, blank, call to action, and footer. All right, what's that call to action? We don't need this to be here. We can delete it. We don't need this about to be here. We can delete it. And drag and drop widgets to get started. We added the blank section, and now we go to widgets and show less. I want you to understand that text, image and text, image, video, button, form, line, and space is absolutely enough to build everything that you want. Okay, how to use it? Just, for example, this is some kind of yoga studio. Okay, I want to show the video because video converts really better than images and text. I want to say a couple words about that. I want to add some button. And when you're hovering over the surface, you see you can put all this elements, all those widgets, you can put them in that specific area. I'm gonna drop the button here. I want this button to be lower. I'm just grabbing a spacer and dropping it here, and now I can move the things. Okay. Also, worth mentioning that here you have the divider, and when you're grabbing the divider and moving it around, the objects are reshaping by itself. Everything that you want to add it, you can add it with this pencil button. Okay, normal text, let it be the headline, for example. Let it be bold. All the text, let it be bold. Let's change some font, and here you go. As I previously told you, you can use the background of section, edit section settings, and background. It can be color, it can be, let's use this one, yeah, like in the buttons. Okay, you can use color, you can use images, you can use actually everything that you want, but the most important part, guys, that you can use the background of entire page, and you need to go to styles and you see page background. Let's use different color. You see, here you go. So you can use the picture, also you can use the image here to upload, but the main point that now you have the page background, and if we're gonna make this block half transparent, for example, you'll see that color, or the picture. If you're using the picture, you'll see through the block, through the section. Also, as we already in styles, you can change headline font, all the headlines, and all the text font straight from this spot. Okay, we don't actually have the countdown here, but you can also change it here. Page width, medium, small, large, and so on. Yeah, so a lot of interesting stuff you can add. I showed you the sections, I showed you the layout, I showed you the widgets, I showed you the styles. Let's go to settings, SEO, social analytics, and language. It's pretty clear that you need to fulfill all those stuff like SEO, page title, and page description, because probably you want your picture, you want your landing page or website to be visible to search engines. Social, that how your website will be shown in Facebook, for example, if you're going to share the link, or in Pinterest or some else social media place. So you need to choose an image and type the social page title, page description, and so on. Analytics, Google Analytics, tracking ID, and all the tracking codes you can add here. Language, it's pretty clear. But the most important part of any landing page or website is actually how you interact with your customers, how you interact with your visitors, and buttons and forms. That's how you actually can get contact information from your visitors. So you need to add click event if you see inactive button. This button is active, and there's a pop-up, and we're gonna make the same here. Add click event. You have the list of options. Open a pop-up, Calendly pop-up, jump to page section, landing page, link to external URL. In most cases, it's gonna be the pop-up. Simple pop-up. And you see my lead box. Okay, let's edit the pop-up right now. You have the separate section, okay, and everything that you want to do, change the background color, the text color, shapes, and so on. You can make this with edit section settings as usual. But the most important part is edit integrations in this form. Integrations, fields, and actions. Let's start from the fields. You see, it's just email. You need to add a field. Let it be the first name, because it's important as for me. Do not add more than 2 fields, because people are lazy, customers are lazy, and they don't want to complete the form. Even for the coupon code, they don't want to fulfill the 3rd line, and people don't like to share their own phone numbers. So email is pretty enough. And you see lead matter now shows good, not excellent, but good. That means that your page will convert not so effective. Good, but not excellent. So let's delete the phone number here. And you see the lead matter jumps to excellent again. That's important. Integrations, how you gonna get lead notification to your inbox of your email, or you can switch on one of the services like MailChimp, GetResponse, Convocate, and so on. If you have an account for one of those, that's perfect. That means that all the new leads will drop straight to your maybe MailChimp account, and you can work with that list after. Or if you don't have email marketing tools or CRM system, it's pretty enough to connect Google Sheets with a Zapier, and you'll see your statistics on it. And what's gonna happen actually when somebody will complete this form and press like send, yeah? Enter your email address to receive the coupon code. Coupon code is lead magnet, and you can add this lead magnet here, okay? But in most cases, what's gonna be? It's gonna be the Leadpages thank you page. You can build separate landing page for, say, thank you for some order, or for information, external URL, or remain on page. It's up to you. I showed you everything. Now you know pretty everything that you need to start, at least to try. So I suggest you to find the link in the description panel of this video. Press that link to be on the same page with us. and to start building your own landing page or website. Nobody except you can describe your business better than you, so you need to make it by yourself. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this was really useful, and I wish you good luck in your website building experience. Thanks, cheers, and bye-bye.